How to solve this equation? To solve this equation, you need to multiply the left side by x minus 3 over x minus 3. Then the first term of the right side of the equation by x plus 1 over x plus 1. If you follow this step, you will look like this. Then simplify the equation. If you simplify the equation, it will look like this. Then cross the multiplication both sides. If you follow this step, then it will look like this. Then divided by itself, this expression to cancel this. If you follow this step, then it will look like this. Next step is to transpose all of this both side, this side to the left side. If you follow this step, it will look like this. Next step is to uh, get off two factors of this quadratic equation. This would be like when you follow the step and combine the terms. Then we get the two factors. Then the answer is x equals 1 half negative and x equals 6.